this is the 7th experiment in the web technology lab that we have. This is a basic web page which is creating an interactive web page using PHP. Now, as you can see here in our software, we have various files along with various PHP files, various CSS files. PHP files can be HTML files which have HTML code or PHP code or JavaScript code. As we can see here, this is a PHP file with a normal HTML code where we linked the CSS sheet called selection.css, and for each of the div ID that we want to make CSS modification, we have given IDs. Now here is the main thing: form action equals shipping.php. So as you can see here, here we have a form. This is a checkbox. You can set it as many number of values as you want. I'm gonna select only this value, and this is the radio button, and this input is taken from this particular page, and all the images and everything is displayed here along with their various CSS properties, as you can see here. And these inputs are taken into the other as input to the when you click the submit button, they go to the next PHP page, that is shipping. So all the input that is taken here, for instance the sizes and the colors and the quantity, everything that is taken here is taken as an input, and input is taken here by according to the value that the consumer selects. As for the CSS coding, we have normal CSS coding. As you can see here, the whole body is with this image called the background2.apg, and the whole of this HTML file is with this CSS coding, where padding is 0 and margin is 0. As we gave a banner ID, we gave a div ID as banner here. Choose your shirt options. We have certain CSS properties that are applied here. Banner P is the banner given inside the P tag. As you can see here, banner P is this option. Banner P is this option, and next thing is option details, and banner P is applied to those CSS coding, and in the same way other CSS codings are also applied. The next PHP file is shipping details, where all the information from the previous file from here will be received and will be sent to the next file. Now we don't find any kind of symptoms here that are received, but the whole thing will be reflected in the final output. And the coding here, as you can see, these are some super global variables that we have used here, this session, and these variables are analyzed from the first web page and are taken as input, and now we have form is equal shipping, form name equals shipping, method equals post, and action is confirm.php, which means the details that are here will be confirmed into the next PHP page that it is redirected to. So as we can see, we see a lot of redirecting here. In the same way that we filled the form, here also we have various banner classes, div classes and everything, which have various IDs, and we have used the concept of forms here, where input type is text, names, and various such things, and we have given certain IDs so that we can apply CSS coding for each and everything individually. As you can see here, for pay tag and for body tag, we have applied this, and for header we have applied asterisk, we have applied this. So in the same way, now as I said that this page is redirected to confirm.php, let us look at the code and confirm.php. Now all the variables are analyzed. In the t-shirt and the name, t-shirt name and first name. So it is consequently displayed like this. Let us look at the coding here seriously. Now the input is taken as t-shirt here. The t-shirt is selected, and from the name of the first variable from the previous value, the input is taken. Name 2 is again the last name value, Now $n is initialized, n is the variable that is initialized, and count. This is how we declare variables in PHP, and count. This variable is analyzed. Now sc equals 0. So whatever total selected items are there, this is that variable, and this variable is set as 0. Variable is set as 0. Now this is mainly for now we are using a for loop here, and the maximum is $n, which is count of TS. So the array count is counted here of the array TS. Now sc is initialized as 0, and as soon as we get an input from TS of 0, that is the array that is the array TS 0th index element, the sc variable is incremented by 580, which is the weight, the rate of the shirt that is potty white. In the same way, all the other values are incremented, and next we have shipping costs and everything included over here, and here is the code for displaying everything and since analyzing everything. Here the values are printed over here, and this is redirected to shipping if the shopping is finished, and if the shopping is not finished, and if this is go back. By clicking the go back button, we have an option to reshop again, and thank you is when we end our shopping. Now let's get into the output part, and as you can see, all the web page with appropriate CSS coding is here, and as you can see, spotty white shirt is selected with men's shirt quantity, and all these are selected. Now let me fill the form. The next form that we redirected, this is our shipping.php, and the next page ends up being this, where as you can see, Dan Rock is a first name, last name, and all the variables are filled like this. And now I finally confirm my order. As you can see, the total is this much, and now I confirm, and this here, as you can see, the name is displayed. Thank you.